Let's fill out the Florida ATV bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling or buying an ATV in Florida, there are a few important steps to keep in mind. First, let's talk about the title. The seller needs to provide the original Florida title, properly completed, and that title must be filled out to transfer ownership to the buyer. You'll also need to submit a completed application for a certificate of title. Now, each applicant must sign that application, so make sure everyone who needs to sign has done so before you move forward. If there is a lien on the ATV, you'll need to include the applicable lien holder information as part of the process. Florida also requires a federal odometer statement, so be ready to have that on hand. When it comes to the sale price, the purchase price must be documented, and keep in mind that your bill of sale can serve as one example of proof that sales tax was paid. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.